All right, my name is Jeremy Orlando, and I'm sitting here today in front of the High Country, Montana 344 RL. We're going to go through and point out a couple of the features to it. I think it's going to be a great one. Come in and take a look. Okay, looking around this Montana High Country, we do have the freestanding dinette with the windows and the slide there. This is a 4-slide model, so you get the opposing slides and all the room you'd want in a nice rear lounge. It does have, looks like about a 50-inch TV, which is beautiful. Great entertainment area with the fireplace right below it, just like you'd want at home. This has all those comforts of home that you'd really want. Nice rear sofa and the recliners facing the TV, just how you'd want it set up. Following me into the kitchen here, it does have the freestanding island, which gives you the beautiful sink in the middle with a nice cover, so you have that counter space, as well as stainless steel appliances and a big refrigerator, what most people are looking for in a unit like this. So if you follow me over in the corner here, it also has a beautiful pantry and giving you that spot to put all those dry goods that you may want. And following up into the bathroom, it is a step-in shower. Nice setup for the bathroom, followed by a huge bedroom suite area with, you got to check out the bed. It is a comfortable, looks like a Tempur-Pedic type foam mattress that is extremely comfortable. And hookups for washer and dryer. So everything you would need in this unit with the perfect rear lounge floor plan that most people desire. And if we walk outside, walk around the unit, check out the 4 slides, got to look in this compartment for the outside kitchen. It is unique. It's got a beautiful glass refrigerator, which I really like the aesthetics about, but it's also got an outside microwave so that you can do everything right there as need be. So one of the nicest outside kitchens I've seen in a while. So take a look around this unit, and I think you're going to love what you see. Thank you guys for checking out the Montana High Country with me. Please call me, Jeremy Orlando, at 541-914-3693 if there's any other questions you have on this unit or anything else we have in stock.